Good morning to all. So here we all are with a new chapter of class 7, that is weather, climate and adaptation of animals. Firstly, if I will tell you about the weather, then one thing will come in your mind, ma'am, what will be the proper definition of weather? Okay. So normally we can say that atmospheric condition for a very short time in which we determine the temperature, the humidity, the cloudiness and the rainfall of any particular place. Clear? That atmospheric condition is known as weather. Okay? If we will measure different type of atmospheric condition of any particular place for a very short time, that is known as weather. Now next thing, ma'am, how much things we will know about the weather report? I mean, how many factors we will know about the weather report? Then due to weather report, we can easily know about the humidity level, about the rainfall, you can say the timing of sunset and sunrise, the timing of moonset and moonrise, and maximum and minimum temperature for approx 24 hours. We can't go more than for 24 to 30 hours because here we are measuring the weather, and weather means short timing atmospheric condition. Okay, and when we will discuss about the long timing of atmospheric condition for their measurement, that will come under the category of climate, and after this we will discuss about it. So this was the definition and points about the weather report. If I will tell you about the elements of weather, then how many elements you will count? Elements will be same as atmospheric condition. I told you about the atmospheric condition, temperature, humidity and air pressure, wind, cloudiness, rainfall and all these will come in the category of elements of weather. Now how they will depend on weather, or how these elements will play a very important role for weather. Then firstly, if I will tell you about the temperature, because that temperature is a point which is very effective on behalf of weather. Okay, if temperature will be high, weather will be hot. If temperature will be very low, weather will be very cold. Okay, or we will feel little cold. And easily you can assume during summer and winter conditions that in summer what we feels? Very high temperature, ma'am. And in cold, very low temperature. Okay, so that is a very effective point. Next thing is humidity. Yes, water vapor. Humidity means water vapor in atmosphere. Presence of water vapors in atmosphere. Very important thing. Next thing we can say air pressure. Definitely air pressure is very important for measuring the weather of any particular place. Air pressure means weight of air over earth surface. That's it. Okay. Next thing, wind. Okay. Wind means that is a movement of air mass from high pressure to low pressure, and over wind temperature also depends. Over wind weather also depends. So that wind will be also very important factor in the category of elements of weather. Next thing, ma'am, why weather forecasting is very important? Okay, before timing we knows about the weather na, that tomorrow what will happen, next day what will happen. So that will be very important. Why? Because this thing will warn the pupil for regarding bad weather, we can say. Okay, we can easily know about the next day weather before timing during weather forecasting. This is very important for the protection of our life. That is very important for the planning of any type of activities, any type of parties, any type of event. Okay. And next thing, it is very important for agriculture activities also. Clear? So That's why weather forecasting is very, very important. Means information about weather before timing. Okay, so we can easily plan a lot of things after knowing about the weather of next day. Okay. Next thing about the climate, ma'am. What is climate? Climate, normal thing, that atmospheric condition of any particular place, but measurement for a very, very long time. For weather, what will be the definition? That measurement of atmospheric condition for a very short time. But climate, what about climate? About climate, atmospheric conditions measurement for a very, very long time, such as 25 to 50 years. And in weather, what we will count? For 1 or 2 days. Atmospheric condition for 1 day, for 2 days, for 3 days, 4 days maximum. But what about climate? For a very long time we will measure the atmospheric condition, and then long time will be 25 to 40, 50 years. Okay, and the climate varies from region to region. Okay, so this was the main difference in between weather and climate. Again, I am telling you, weather means atmospheric conditions measurement for a short time period, and for climate it will be for long time period. Now a lot of factors are also present here who affect climate. What will be the factor? First factor, difference or distance from the equator. Okay, equator means, as we all know, sun rays directly falls on the equator. So all the nearby places will be very, very warm and they will contain maximum rainfall. Okay, they will contain maximum rainfall, and as we move away from the equator towards the pole, definitely the sun rays become slanting. Means they will decrease their intensity of heat and light, and we will feel little cold if we will go far away from the equator. Definitely distance from the equator will also very, very important, okay, for the factors who will affect climate. Next thing is different from the distance from the sea. Definitely coastal areas. Coastal areas means that area which will be very, very near from the sea, that will contain very cold climate. And if we will go far from the sea, then we will feel little hot. Then distance from the sea will be also very important. Next thing is humidity and rainfall. Humidity and rainfall. So that humidity and rainfall depends upon the distance from the sea and direction of wind. Okay, direction of wind. Definitely wind coming from the sea, and that will cause rain. That's why rainfall will also very important. And final thing is sea level, or we can say height above the sea level. One thing, if you will feel that when we go higher from the sea level, then temperature goes down. Okay, temperature goes down when we go higher from the sea level, and the mountain receives more and more rainfall from the plain area. Yeah, it's a very, very true thing. Always mountains receive a lot of rainfall. Okay, comparison to our plain area. Okay, so a lot of factors are also very important. That was all about the practical factor. But one thing I just want to tell you, that a lot of human activities such as pollution, such as cutting down of trees, increasing level of carbon dioxide, they all lead to the increasement in the temperature of our atmosphere, which is very, very important, or important negatively. Don't think it's positively important. This thing is negatively important for the changement in climate. Negatively, it will affect our climate. Okay, so try to remove a lot of pollutants away from you and be happy, be safe. In next part, we will discuss about the further chapter. Thank you.